have to stop because oh,
you broke it.
no. Welcome back to our channel.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Follow us at Toys R Life TV.
Let's get this video started. I forgot to transforming sound.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome back, and here we have blind bags.
Oh, there are only 12 to collect, and this is for age 6 and above.
Yeah, is it season 2 or series 2?
Yeah.
There.
These are the tiny turbo changers.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Quite easy.
Quite easy.
Open. Let's see if we have a checklist. Yes,
Oh, okay.
let's see if it has No, it doesn't have a checklist. But it has instructions on how to. Oh, they move like they really transform. That's cool. So it doesn't say. Oh, let's see what we have. Ooh, I don't know who this is, but if they
It's a race
change,
car.
yeah, it is a race car.
It looks like-
oh, cool, man. I don't know if I have to stop because
Oh, you broke it.
no. Oh, you can pull it
There.
up. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Pulled it up, and
That's
there
it.
you have it.
And there you have your very own transformer.
There.
Okay,
Easy.
easy.
And we got.
the blue one.
Is this Optimus Prime?
So while Ella is attaching that and transforming it, I'll open another one. Ta-da! It is Bumblebee. We hope so. Doesn't have anything. Yeah, I think it is Bumblebee. Instructions.
We have the truck now, and we can transform the truck
I can twist.
by removing the arms. See, like that. Quite easy,
Oh,
but it's
okay.
just that the joints are very flimsy. And you extend. It's quite tough. Can you extend? Oh no, you can't extend him. Am I right?
Okay, so there
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have it. The yellow one.
We have Optimus Prime.
Yeah.
We have the same one.
Okay.
And the problem with this, apparently, I mean, based on like what we know, is the fact that the joints are just like no good.
I'll open another one.
Okay, cool.
Hope it get a different one. Oh, different color one. Okay. Ooh. This is like a Hummer. There you go. Oh. The wheels do not move though.
There.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one.
This one.
Okay. There we go. And we got the same one as a Hummer. Is this a
Yeah.
Hummer? I think.
But you cannot open it, but you have to twist.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
There.
And then it doesn't like you cannot pull it up. So you just twist this part.
Okay.
And then
It's still cool though.
yeah.
What did we get?
Oh, different one. It's still blue, but
Yeah.
different one.
Single passenger one.
Oh,
what did you get?
It's a Starscream.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so we get the Decepticons.
Yeah, we got the Septicon. Just twist them around. Oh yeah, this one you can twist around like that, and then you have his arms, and then flip this one over. This part, flip it over. There.
Okay.
Very, very cool. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8 transforming
Two
robots.
doubles.
2 doubles.
But yeah.
And I think my favorite is, of course, Optimus Prime. As always. Yeah.
I just want the car.
The Hummer car. I don't know what it's like this character though.
Found this cool during
They don't. Yeah, Starscream is. Oh yeah, no. They say this one is Megatron. This one is
Oh.
Bumblebee. Their names are there.
There.
So here is this one is Bumblebee.
This one is Barricade. Right?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one is Decepticon.
This one, the
This is
red
the
one is
Berserker.
Optimus Prime. Okay.
Yeah, that one is Optimus Prime.
Oh yeah. Oh no, not the red one.
The blue one, the blue
yeah,
one.
so we're right with Optimus Prime. How about Drift?
it's drift. Okay. Comment down below which one is your favorite Transformer, or which one of these is your favorite Transformer.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.
Yeah.
Hit the
And
notification button so you will not miss on any of our videos.
and
Have an awesome day. Not a
Have an
magical
awesome-
day.
yeah.
Have an awesome day, guys.
bye.